Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you have one of these, if you guys need to find where the fuses and the relays for the seat belt are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, the seat belt, fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban here. It should work for both Chevy Tahoe and Suburban. The only difference guys practically is the Suburban is a little bit longer, but they're built on the same platform. Guys, 9 out of 10 people do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in that SUV. That's why we made a very helpful video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban. What we need to do now, first we need to open the passenger door. Then you need to guys go ahead and come to the side of the dash. You see here you have one cover. Pry that cover open. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check, up to 3 fuses, 1 in that fuse box, 2 in another one. And here guys, okay, the fuses that we need to check specifically, we're talking guys, okay, about fuse 26 now. So 26 will be, okay, if you come right here, that's 28, 27, 26. That's a special double 10 amp fuse, micro 3 blade fuse. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy it from, that way do not waste your money and time. Then open the hood. Once you guys open the hood on your Chevy Tahoe or Suburban, on the driver's side here you see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have that fuse box. Open the cover, you will see that layout right here. And specifically guys, here we need to check up to 4 different fuses. So coming this way, this is fuse 1, 2, 3, 4, fuse number 4, okay, that's one of them that you need to check right here. Very important fuse. The other fuse that you need to check is fuse number 17. We're talking about that fuse, okay, let me see, yep, that fuse right here, 4 and 17. So those are the fuses. What about relays? You don't have relays. These are known as relay fuses. So if you have problems with the seat belts, always check these fuses first. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.